I see buses, I see lights, I see people starting fights, I see wrong and I see right. Someone told me to calm and chill, but I just wanted some fun and thrill, so I told him to leave me alone cause I'm not the king, stop giving me the throne. And when I started to have some fun, he told me that my work was done. He told me leave and I said no, so he kicked me out, so I started to doubt. But then I found somebody new, she helped me build and join my crew. I grew, I started to fly, others failed, they still tried. But then she left, I started to die. I tried to stay strong and held my cry. I saw dark, I saw devil, I saw no source of light. I fell so down and hit the ground and heard the screams and painful sounds. The world was new, the sky was red of the burning town where everyone's dead. The people who survived were always in pain, but hopes in their heart that they will be taken away. I wanted back my happy life, which because of her I started to die. I ran and ran till I found the light, the hope to live, the wings to fly. The world was bright, the sky was blue. I saw the hope and then I saw you.